Dave made cash advance apps popular because it made small emergency money easy to access. But it's not the only app doing that anymore, and some alternatives move just as fast, or offer better features depending on your situation. By the end of this, you'll know 6 apps like Dave, how they work, and which one makes the most sense when you need money quickly. Start with Earnin. Earnin works a lot like Dave, but it focuses more directly on paycheck access. You connect your bank, verify income, and withdraw part of your earnings before payday. It's one of the strongest alternatives if you have steady income. Second is Bridgetin. Bridget is built for overdraft prevention. It tracks your account balance and sends advances when your cash gets low. That makes it useful if your main problem is avoiding bank fees. Third is MoneyLion.to. MoneyLion's Instacash gives fast advances and adds extra tools like banking and credit building. It feels more like a full finance app instead of just a cash advance app. Now, the simpler options. Empower is one of the easier apps to set up. It offers paycheck advances plus spending insights, so you can see where your money is going while borrowing. Albertine mixes cash advances with budgeting and savings tools. It works well if you want fast money, but also want to improve your money habits long term. Then there's Clover. Clover stands out because it uses app engagement and data sharing to help determine access. It's a different system, but it still works for quick cash needs. Here's what matters when choosing. Not all fast apps are actually fast. Most have standard transfers that can take 1 to 3 business days. The instant option is usually separate. That's where fees show up. Also check repayment timing. Most apps pull money automatically on payday. If your account is low, that can create a new problem right after solving the first one. Quick recap. Best paycheck-based alternative. Best overdraft-focused app. Bridgetin. Best all-in-one option. Best easy setup. Empower. Best budgeting combo. Halbertain. Borsta. The practical next step is simple. Compare instant transfer fees first, not just advance amounts. That tells you which app actually gets money into your account fastest for the lowest cost. If this helped you find a better Dave alternative, like the video and subscribe for more.